Hi, I'm Chip. Welcome to Tuesday Tips. Today we're going to talk about RYOBI's expanding lineup of automotive solutions in the ONE+ category, starting with the 5-inch variable speed dual action polisher. This is a great tool for getting a lot of work done really quickly. For expansive flat areas like a car's hood or side, this is really the perfect tool. Now on one 18-volt battery charge, you should be able to polish an entire full-sized vehicle. Now weighing in at only 3.75 pounds, this is also the lightest dual action polisher in the category. Next up, we've got our impact wrenches, starting with the big boy, the 1/2 inch. This guy sports up to 600 foot-pounds of loosening torque, which allows you to do things like loosen lug nuts or work on suspension. This thing is incredibly powerful. We also have the 3/8 inch version. You notice it's a lot smaller. That's for a purpose. Working underneath the hood can get a little bit tight. Say you're removing a fuel pump, you're going to want all the extra space around the tool to make it as convenient as possible. Next up, we have our ratchets. We have our 3/8 and our 1/4 inch. These are very similar tools, and really it's up to the user preference on what size socket you'd like to use. One real key feature here though is the ability to transition the head into 4 different positions. What's great about that is when you're working under the hood, any spare centimeter of extra clearance or extra functionality is really helpful. It allows you to get comfortable, which is going to help you get the job done faster and safer. Last but certainly not least, we have our hybrid tripod light. This is an LED light that's actually a hybrid, meaning it will run off battery power or you can plug it into an extension cord. It telescopes up to 5 foot, collapses down to 22 inches, and then folds conveniently down almost all the way to the ground to illuminate whatever your workspace happens to be. Remember, for all your automotive needs, whether you're in the driveway or in the garage, RYOBI has you covered.